Hi guys, Tony here. So an update on my Ferrari 348 TS project. Last time I mentioned about the damp in the interior, and obviously I've cleaned it up a lot in that period of time, but now I've actually dyed it black. I was mentioning it last time, and I actually made the jump and dyed it black, and it's come out well. This is my first time ever dyeing anything, so yeah, it's pretty damn lucky. And since then I also upgraded the seats to the Sparco racing seats.
Wishing he had that Testarossa. Going in for the next big find. Price of having a Ferrari.
If I just go wire, thanks Phil, okay, just go the card now. And the combination of that with swapping out the old air intake box with this new carbon fibre one, I've shaved off another 18 kilos off the weight, which makes the total close to around 55 kilos in total I've shaved off the standard weight.
Here's a conundrum. Identical twins originate from the same DNA, so how can they turn out so different, even in traits that have a significant genetic component? For instance, why might one twin get heart disease at 55 while her sister runs marathons in perfect health?
The answer is epigenetics. Think of your DNA as the hardware and epigenetics as the software. Every choice you make has an impact on your health, wellness and aging. Here at Epic Genetics, we're there to guide you through to make those right choices for your genes. It's common for people to put more time into the maintenance of their car with an MOT test, yet when it comes to their health, there's no yearly checkup. Just waiting for something to break rather than prevention. By doing an epigenetics test, you can find out the risk of certain diseases and cancers, dial in your athletic performance, maybe you're aging your body at an accelerated rate, or a poor absorber of a particular vitamin. The list is endless. Horsepower now, I think the car would be around 320 horsepower, so it would be faster than the GTS version with the bigger intake plenum. And power to weight ratio, it's actually faster than an E46 M3. The Ferrari now is running around 233 horsepower per tonne, whereas the M3 is 218. And you've got to remember, I've got these semi-slick, like super soft racing tyres on it, which are lower profile than standard, and I've definitely noticed the difference in the gearing of the car. The car is geared down. The aim of the car is to get it to around 360 horsepower and get a bit more weight off it, and at that point it'll be, if anything, quicker than a Ferrari 355, which a lot of people even call it the best Ferrari ever made. Many people have complained that the 355, the steering is a little bit over assisted. Obviously it's got traction control. So the 348 is actually the last analog pure Ferrari ever made.
I didn't have a great time, as I said, with the 348 Spider in California, and I thought, just how much better could they make this car by shaving off so much weight? Well, a lot better. This is a really enjoyable driving experience. It feels honed in and purposeful. It's pretty good, like it does want to get up and go. 350 horsepower, it's not that much in the grand scheme of things, but trust me, it's kind of plenty. It's got a real analog feel, a real analog sensation, not only reminding me of an old school Ferrari race car, but, you know, dare I say it, yes, the F40. Okay, fine, there's no big turbos, big wing, and sort of, you know, icon status, but still feels hands-on. Right, here we go, can do a big pull here, let's see what happens. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yes, mate! Oh, this is great, and the gear change is really mechanical and sort of almost heavy. You've got to really throw it into the slots. It's not silky smooth like my 360.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.